In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow down your data so you see only what matters when it matters. First, open Pipedrive and choose the list you want to filter. This could be your contacts or your activities, depending on what you're working on. Filters are specific to the area you're viewing, so make sure you're on the correct list before you begin. For example, if you want to focus on people you've recently added, head to Contacts. If you want to focus on upcoming calls or meetings, go to Activities. This keeps your filter relevant to the task at hand. Next, look to the top right of the screen and click Filters. Then select Add New Filter. This opens the filter builder where you'll define exactly what you want to see. Think of this as telling Pipedrive the rules for who or what should appear in your list. If you're prompted to name your filter, choose a clear, memorable name so you can find it later without guessing. Now add the conditions for your filter. Conditions are the criteria that must be met for items to show. You can choose fields like owner, label, status, creation date, or any other field available in that list. Use AND when all conditions must be true at the same time, and OR when any one of them is enough. For example, you might set contacts where label is customer, and created is this month, or activities where type is call or type is meeting. As you add conditions, keep an eye on the results preview so you can see whether your filter is too narrow or too broad. If nothing shows up, loosen a condition. If too much appears, tighten it. When your conditions look right, click Save. Your filter is now ready to use and will be available the next time you open that list. Saving it means you won't have to rebuild it every time. Just select it from the Filters menu whenever you need the same view again. A few quick tips to wrap up. Start simple and then refine. It's easier to add one condition at a time than to troubleshoot a complex set from scratch. Double-check that you're filtering the correct list, because a great filter in the wrong place won't show what you expect. And remember that you can always come back and edit your saved filter as your needs change. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to create a filter in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, faster workflow.